Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Fortnite sprints not working. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to load up your Fortnite, then go to settings here, and then you need to go to this little gear icon and make sure that sprint is off here. Press apply, and then you need to go to keyboard controls here and make sure that you set up sprint and make sure to add another sprint basically keybind. So for me, for example, let it be B, right? And sometimes when you add two basically buttons here, sometimes it's not glitching out. And of course on the controller here, also make sure on custom sprint is on auto sprint here. And if the keybinds is good, even the Epic Games and Fortnite reported that they having a glitch. So what I suggest you to do is enter the basically game, and when you are in the lobby, just try if you can sprint or not in the game lobby when you basically loading up to the normal BR. And if you are unable to sprint, just leave the game and try with another game and see if you can sprint or not. So that's pretty much it. It's super frustrating with this little glitch, but you can basically nothing. You cannot do basically nothing. Just go to the lobby, go to game lobby, see if you can sprint or not. If not, just leave the game. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.